Hi there, fifth grade families. Today I am going to be teaching you about comparing fractions, part 1. When we have two numbers that we are comparing, such as 2/8 and 3/8, the first thing we do is say, are the numerators the same? When the numerators are the same, like they are here, 8 and 8, I know that I can almost ignore them and just say which of these numerators is larger. And then the alligator or Pac-Man or the rabid dog eats the bigger number. So the answer is 2/8 is less than 3/8. Hi there, Weiss families. We are going to do comparing fractions number 2. When we have two numbers that we are comparing fractions, like 2/9 and 2/7, we can solve this problem by simply understanding when the numerators are the same, the number on the bottom, the smaller one indicates the larger piece. So if you're thinking about 2/7, if we had a candy bar and that candy bar was broken up into 7 pieces and we shaded those number of pieces, and if we did the same thing with our candy bar over here and we did 9 pieces, if you were asked, would you want 2 pieces of this candy bar that's been sliced into 7 pieces, or would you want 2 pieces of the candy bar that's been sliced into 9? Well, if you're like me and you love chocolate, you're going to want the bigger pieces. So when the numerators on the top are the same, the smaller on bottom is actually more. So in this case, 2/9 is less than 2/7. Or like my class likes to say, the smaller on bottom is more. The smaller on bottom is more. Fifth grade families, guess what time it is? Comparing fractions number 3. Here we go. It's going to get hard. No, not really. When I have two fractions and the denominators are not the same, what's a girl to do? Well, we have to make common denominators because as you can see here clearly, the denominators are the same, the numerators are not the same, but that's not going to stop us from success. We are going to create equivalent fractions by multiplying the denominators here. So what I'm going to do is I am going to multiply 3 times 7, and over here I'm going to multiply 7 times 3. Mr. Bouwman likes to call that crisscross multiplication. So 3 times 7 gives me a new numerator of 21. 7 times 3, I get a new numerator of 21 again. Now comes the numerators, pardon me. 3 times 7 gave me 21, so what would my numerator then be? What we do on the bottom, we must do on the top, and 1 times 7 would give me 7. So friends, what I have here is 1/3 is equivalent to 7/21. Over here, I multiplied 7 times 3 to get 21, and what I do on the bottom, I must do on the top, and 4 times 3 gives me 12. If you think back to comparing fractions part 1 and the denominators were the same, we knew that the bigger number on top gets eaten by Pac-Man, a crocodile, or a rabid dog. So for this question, the answer would be that 1/3 is less than 4/7. We solve that by using these equivalent fractions to make our job much more simple. Thank you.